Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at a couple of different mods that I have planned for the bike, maybe already installed, and I'm also going to get you a closer look at the tail tidy that I got, because you guys have been asking which one to get and which one to install. So let's get right into it. Let me know what you think about the newest mod I just installed. Alright, so this is how it looks like. It's important to note that it's not completed yet. I'm still working on fixing everything up and making it look nicely, especially the light fixture has to be changed in the next couple of days. I'm also getting a new license plate because this one looks pretty bad and it's attached improperly. So just make sure that you attach the license plate as high as possible so it, gets a smooth look from behind with the indicators as well. With the license plate holder, you definitely also want to purchase the original fixtures for the indicator, or you won't be able to attach them to it. As you can see, it looks all nice and tidy and reduces the length of the tail tidy at about, like 100% or something like that. Yeah, it's pretty good. Here's another look from a different angle. It's a bit of work, so it's best to get some help with it, but it turns out really nicely if you do it correctly. Okay, so next up is the Pillion seat cover. Is it really a mod? I don't know. You just purchase it off Honda for like 150 euros. Definitely don't get the previous year models because they don't fit and do not have the correct color. So I was thinking about exchanging the original tank pads on the side with these ones I got off AliExpress. They were very cheap for like 15 euros and they also give you a bit more grip on the tank. These original ones look nice. They're transparent. They keep the look of the bike clean, but they have zero grip. They're also incredibly difficult to attach clean, so let Honda do it if you do get them. All of the footrests are going to be powder coated in a black color. I haven't decided which one yet, but I'm going to be able to do that for free, so that's very lucky. Next up is the windshield. This is just the OEM one that you get through Honda, also included in the sports pack. I really like it, but I think I am going to upgrade to a higher one that's also more rounded. The next thing I'm changing is going to be the brake and clutch levers. I'm getting the one from Reximo. They're actually allowed for this bike, and I am going to go with a red and black color scheme. The main reason why I'm changing those immediately is because the default clutch lever is way too far away from the grips. And what I just did before I started to film this video was attach these carbon fiber winglets. I think they look absolutely amazing. I'm in love. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all the mods I have planned. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what other mods you have planned, and perhaps we can inspire each other to, further customize their bike a little more. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.